What if the oil you cook with every single day is quietly weakening your hair roots, increasing shedding, and pushing your scalp toward early thinning? It sits in your kitchen. You use it without thinking. But research and scalp experts are raising serious concerns. And today, we're exposing it. Hair loss isn't always caused by genetics or stress. Sometimes the culprit is much closer than you imagine: your cooking oil. Many households rely heavily on refined vegetable oils, especially those high in omega-6 fats. While small amounts are necessary, excessive intake can trigger chronic inflammation, which directly affects your scalp environment and hair follicles. And one of the biggest offenders? Highly refined soybean oil, corn oil, and certain generic vegetable oils. Here's what happens inside your body. These oils undergo intense industrial processing. High heat treatment produces oxidized fats and free radicals. When consumed regularly, they can disrupt hormone balance, worsen scalp inflammation, and weaken the blood supply to your hair follicles. Over time, hair roots receive less oxygen, growth cycles shorten, shedding becomes more frequent, hair strands grow thinner and weaker. Chronic inflammation also increases levels of DHT sensitivity in genetically prone individuals, making hair loss more aggressive than normal. If you're experiencing these, your cooking oil may be contributing. Excessive hair on pillows or shower drain, itchy or inflamed scalp, hair thinning around the temples or crown, slower hair regrowth. Instead of overly refined vegetable oils, consider switching to cold-pressed olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, mustard oil in moderation. These provide healthier fats that support circulation and reduce inflammation, helping create a better environment for hair growth. Check the label. If it simply says vegetable oil without specifying the source, there's a high chance it's a blend of highly processed oils. Your scalp reflects your diet. Healthy fats feed healthy follicles. So before blaming your brush, your shampoo, or your genetics, take a closer look at what's in your frying pan. If this surprised you, comment OIL below and share this with someone struggling with hair thinning. And don't forget to subscribe to NutriFacts with Simone for more science-backed nutrition truths.